Captain. No worries, mate.
Welcome to Aswan.
Thank you, thank you. So yeah, just crossing the Nile, literally just from our hotel. That's where we had we had dinner down there a little bit last night, which is awesome. Yeah, it's it's a stunning area, and yeah, just getting a little quick ride across to the tomb of the nobles over here. They're very ancient. Sailboats out, and it's like a typical Melbourne day on the bay. Just a little bit rough, but how nice does that look? Wow.